Hey everyone, I'm Marilyn. Thanks for joining me on making a wood tray for my daughter out of pallet wood. I'm picking out which ones will be the bottom and which will be the sides, and I will loosely do a mock placement to see how it will look. Taking the wood to my planer to clean up the wood and also make it flat so all are the same thickness. Next, I will run the wood through my bench top jointer so that the sides are flat to make gluing them together have 100% contact. For the bottom of the tray are ready for glue up and clamps to put it together. I will let it dry for several hours. While the bottom glue up is drying, I will start on the sides in which two of the sides will have open handles. The glued up board measures ½ inch thickness. I'm marking the thickness on one side of the board and use that thickness to mark and create a 4-inch wide gap in the board. I will also mark where the 1-inch Fortner bit will go. I will use my drill press to make 2 holes in the boards. A line that I will use to guide my jigsaw to make the cut for the open handle. Another board because the depth was a little too short. Time to unclamp the board. Remove the dry beads of glue with a scraper and put the board through the planer again so the added board will be the same thickness as the other board. using my cross lead on my Ryobi table saw to trim the edges of the board. It's time to sand the handles. I will use 80 grit and 150 grit on the inside of the handles. I will use my router and a 3/8 inch corner round bit for the handles. This will make a nice round smooth surface to insert your hand when holding the tray. Using my DeWalt orbital sander and 150 and 220 grit sandpaper on all of the boards to create a nice smooth surface. If you like what you have learned so far about this project, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. I believe if you think you can do it, you can. So I said to myself many times, Marilyn, do you think you can do this? And I say, yep, I can do this. And I know that you can too, with anything that you put your mind to. To put all the pieces together, I'll be using wood glue and brad nails to secure it in place. all put together, I used wood filler to cover the brad nail holes and fill the knots. The router was used with a 3/8 inch corner round bit on all the edges of the tray. Use 4 coats of satin poly finish to protect the wood tray. What do you think? I think my daughter will be very happy with her wood tray. Thank you for watching. But remember, if you think you can do this, you can.